2.5x the clarity. The built-in Sony 2K sensor and professional-grade lens allow you to view activity in picture-perfect resolution. See visitors in sharp detail as they approach your door. Dual power options. Half a year of coverage from one charge or non-stop power supply via wired connection. Expanded field of view. The increased 4:3 aspect ratio ensures you get a head-to-toe view of anyone who approaches and gives you the perfect viewing angle every time. HomeBase 2 required. The eufy security wireless add-on video doorbell requires a HomeBase 2, not included, to operate. This product will not work without a HomeBase. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Eufy is taking this industry by storm. Smart folks and I appreciate their customer-focused, legit, home security tools. I snagged this gem as an add-on at its introductory price of $99, and it has exceeded my expectations. No more false alarms like the previous well-known brand I had. You choose the sensitivity level, of course, but unlike Reahem, the aforementioned well-known brand, you also get to set the detection zones and types of alerts, human versus all motions, desired. And it works. Extraneous detections are filtered based on your preferences so that notifications aren't piling in when the random bird, butterfly, raindrop, car, etc. enters the detection field, unless you want them to upside-down face. The facial recognition is the crowning glory. I mean, we all want to know who took that highly anticipated Amazon delivery off the porch, right? The two-way communication, to stop those same porch pirates in their tracks, is golden. Pairs easily with Alexa, plus the HomeBase will chime if you want it to, so there is no need for an additional chime. Eufy's add-on chime only works with the wired method but unnecessary regardless, if you are operating on the wireless battery method.